Welcome guys, this is Gadget Zone here, and today we have another wallet review. This one is a leather wallet by Hibate. It comes in a variety of colours, which you'll be able to see by clicking the link in the description, but today I have the standard brown leather wallet. This wallet was ordered through Amazon, and as seen it comes very neatly packaged with a plastic wrap and then a softer felt-like wrap protecting the wallet itself. The first impression of the wallet is that it feels like it's been manufactured to a pretty high standard using good quality leather. The leather used is genuine cowhide leather, which feels very soft and pliable, and has an oil waxed finish, which just prevents any permanent scratches. It's a different style from your usual modern and minimalist wallets, but I think it really works for this wallet. It has two zippers on the edge with leather zipper tags, again feeling like they've been manufactured to a high standard, so I'd imagine they will not break off unless the wallet is misused. A press stud keeps the wallet closed and secure, which feels very solid and is easy to close back up again with one hand. Inside we can see the open bill compartment and the zipper bill compartment that run along the back of the wallet, giving the option to separate different currencies from each other, or if you like to keep your receipts, they can be stored in a different compartment to your notes, allowing for quick access. The wallet also includes a mesh ID window, saving the effort of having to access a card just for visual purposes. Hibate have advised not to keep bank cards in this slot, as they may get damaged depending on how much pressure is applied to the press stud. It arrives with a card just showing that the wallet is RFID protected, meaning it will prevent any cards inside from being scanned, keeping you safe from criminals trying to scan your cards on the streets. It also comes with a small sample of the leather, which is a nice little touch. There are then 6 further card slots, which are spread over the wallet, with 2 behind the mesh window and the other 4 on the left hand side. The double zipper style, just like the 2 bill compartments, is a good idea as different currencies can be separated, allowing for quicker access. The pockets are quite long and wide, giving them a large capacity for coins. Completely empty, the wallet is approximately 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch thick. Testing out the wallet now, the mesh window gives clear visibility to the card below, but does leave it sticking out at the top. I'd be a bit worried about how secure the card is like this, but on the other hand it does allow for quick access. And keeping other cards in the slots behind will help improve the security of the window, making it a tighter fit for the card. The remaining slots only fit a single card in each, which is great in my opinion, as it means the cards should be held securely. That being said, the soft and pliable nature of the leather results in the cards being easy enough to insert and remove. I didn't have many coins or any receipts at the time of filming this, so I am using keys to supplement the coins. The zipper bill compartment is versatile as it will keep loose change secure. Here I am using a £20 note, which is the second largest UK note, and as you can see there is plenty of space for it here in the bill compartment without it sticking out at the top at all. And as expected, there is plenty of space in the 2 zipper pockets for coins, and in my case, keys. When totally full, the wallet measures at about 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches thick, which will still fit in trouser pockets, but in my opinion is quite chunky for a wallet. Overall, if you don't mind carrying a slightly chunky wallet, I would highly recommend this for you. It is very stylish and the capacity is great, being versatile enough to cater for any situation you may need it for. If you enjoyed this content or you would like to see more, please consider subscribing below. Thank you for watching.